Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Sportage or Kia Sorento and you need to remove or replace upper engine cover guys. It's stuck or doesn't want to go in guys. You removed it and it doesn't want to stay in. We'll explain what to look for and how to fix that, so make sure I'll stay until the end. All that will be covered in this video today. So this should work on Kia Sportage and Kia Sorento different years. For instance, they start using it in early 2012 all the way to 2016-17 depending on the market guys. That's a 2.4 GDI engine. So before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the garage guys, we take them completely apart and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Also guys, if you want to buy parts or tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. Specifically, this is an engine out of a 2013 Kia that we'll be demonstrating on. And with that being said, okay, if you have a Kia guys or other vehicle, check our main channel Auto Repair guys. We have videos that have helped more than 120 million people guys, that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. So this is the engine cover that we have right here. Okay, that engine cover attaches to the engine with 4 bushings guys, and 4 posts are installed on the valve cover. So in order guys to remove that upper engine cover, you grab it with your hands and you just pull it up, okay, and you hear, okay, the bushings releasing. In some cases guys, what could happen, okay, these bushings, okay, 1 2 3 4, we can see they attach right here, 1 2 3 4 guys. You have to make sure, okay, that everything's tight here, and if those bushings come out, sometimes, okay, they will come loose when you pull the cover. Okay, let me show you, and they may be stuck like that, okay, on the thing. You now cannot install the cover guys. What you need to do, you need to remove that bushing and you need to install it on the cover, okay, and I will pass it here because with one hand, left hand, I cannot do it. So you need to push it back in the cover, and sometimes if they're really stuck, you can just wipe the dust and apply a little bit of lubrication to wipe them, and they will go back in. And when you're ready, you need to align everything and we can go ahead and install it. So let's see, okay, how we do that now. Pretty easy guys. You just go on top, find the bushings, you kind of like feel them, press in and make sure it's tight on all 4 corners. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.